Xiaomi has just taken slim and stylish to the next level with the Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro. But this isn't just a fashion-first phone, it packs serious flagship power under that ultra-thin body. With a Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 processor, 5050MP Leica-tuned cameras, and a 6000 mAh battery in a body just 7.45mm thick, the Civi 5 Pro is redefining what slim phones can do. Let's break down everything this stunning device has to offer, and whether it's worth your attention. The Civi 5 Pro boasts a gorgeous 6.55-inch micro-curved OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and ultra-narrow bezels, offering a premium in-hand feel and a cinematic viewing experience. Colors are rich, motion is buttery smooth, and thanks to the curvature, it feels like the screen melts into the frame. It's not just pretty, it's immersive, compact, and ultra-modern. Under the hood, it runs on the all-new Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset. This processor brings flagship-level CPU, GPU, and AI performance at a lower cost than the 8 Gen 3. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or switching between multiple apps, the Civi 5 Pro can handle it all without breaking a sweat. And it stays cool too, thanks to its advanced heat dissipation system. Xiaomi went all in on the cameras. You get a 5050MP setup, a 50MP main sensor with a large f1.63 aperture, and OIS, capturing bright, detailed shots, even in low light. A 50MP ultra-wide camera for landscapes and group shots. And a 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, perfect for portraits and close-ups. And it's not just rear cameras, the Civi 5 Pro includes dual front-facing cameras, ideal for vloggers and selfie lovers. With Leica lens tuning, the image quality is rich in color and depth. Despite its ultra-slim body, the phone packs a massive 6000 mAh battery. That's more than most thick flagship phones, and a big deal for power users. Charging is fast too. 67W wired charging gets you up and running quickly. Expect full-day battery life with ease, even if you're pushing the phone hard. This phone isn't just smart, it's stunning. At just 7.45mm thick, it's one of the slimmest 5G flagships on the market. Available in purple, pink, white, and black, the Civi 5 Pro nails that balance between fashion and function. It's light, elegant, and eye-catching, clearly targeted at users who want performance and aesthetics. It runs on Android 15 with Xiaomi's latest HyperOS, bringing smoother transitions, smart multitasking, and improved battery optimization. HyperOS also enhances AI features and offers a cleaner UI compared to MIUI. Expect up to 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security patches. Some standout extras include Leica lens partnership for pro-grade photography, dual front-facing cameras for improved depth in selfies and video, 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, and NFC. And that efficient heat dissipation system, keeping the phone cool under pressure. It's the perfect blend of style, power, and practicality. Although the official global pricing isn't confirmed, it's expected to launch around 3,299 Chinese yuan in China, which is roughly $470 or 39,000 Indian rupees INR. At this price, you're getting a premium design, flagship power, high-end cameras, and a massive battery, all in a device that looks and feels like a luxury accessory. So what do you think? Is the Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro the perfect phone for power users who care about looks? Or would you prefer a thicker flagship with more aggressive specs? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more smartphone deep dives, only on Tech Explorer.